Master Basuti Mukherjee, thank you for joining me. And my first question to you about this flip-flop that continues to take place within the Pakistani establishment and the terrorist association, organization linked to Lashkar-e-Toiba actually acting at the behest of the ISI and the Pakistani army chief about first of all blaming India for the attack, talking about how the BJP government has quote unquote orchestrated it. First, the resistance force comes out and claims responsibility for this attack. It's been 4 days and now it does a about turn and says it was in fact not the resistance force but some cyber intelligence forces within the Indian government that spread this wrong message, and it is the orchestration of the government of India which is behind this attack. How do we take Pakistan on face value when its Prime Minister comes 4 days later, says that it is willing to go ahead with a quote unquote again independent, fair and transparent probe into the case?
Well, Megha, it shows that our first kinetic response, which is to suspend the Indus Water Treaty, has been extremely effective. It has woken up the Pakistani establishment. It has made them understand that the part of Pakistan, the only part of Pakistan that matters to the Pakistani establishment is Pakistan Punjab, and that it is going to have a terrible impact on the agriculture and on the future of the people of Pakistan Punjab. So all these comments have come in after we have suspended the Indus Water Treaty. Secondly, a Pakistani Prime Minister who is a puppet Prime Minister, whose army chief first talked about reminding the Pakistani people about the two nation theory, and then there is a lot of information linking him directly with the terror attacks. There is information that the handlers were all professional Pakistani army officers. There is information that there is a direct linkage and that the attack was ordered by the Pakistan army chief. Under those circumstances, it is ludicrous and ridiculous for the Pakistani Prime Minister, who is a puppet Prime Minister and who shouldn't be there in the first place because he never won the elections fairly and squarely. He is saying that he wants an open, transparent, neutral investigation. By whom? He should say that Pakistan is ready to cooperate with India as it failed to cooperate on after the events in Mumbai, and they have made a very convenient habit of disowning their own citizens, because when we picked up Rana, they said he's a Canadian citizen. They don't have any responsibility over him. And similarly, for Ajmal Kasam, they kept saying that he is not Pakistani at all, although his parents were telephoning him from Islamabad till the day before he was executed. So, if there is any evidence linking any Pakistani, they will say no. These have all been dressed up by Indians to look like Pakistanis. They are not Pakistanis. These are all Indians. This is a plot by the Indian government to defame us, etc. So we cannot take this seriously. What we have to do is to do what is required to be done. We've done the first phase. That's already had a huge impact.
Yeah.
A huge impact. And what we have to do in the second phase, we will do after we have made full preparation. The cleaning of those bunkers that you were referring to is a clear indication that we are quietly, pragmatically going ahead with preparation for hostilities in that part of our border. And to do that, we are making sure that there are no civilian casualties, and that when we do what is to be done, the second kinetic response, it will be completely successful, and it will most probably be conducted from our side of the line of control, which Pakistan no longer recognizes. That is such a smart thing for the Pakistani Prime Minister to do. It frees India to go in and get back POK. That shows how smart he is, Megha. he is inviting us to go in and get back POK, because now he doesn't recognize the line of control which was accepted by both parties since Shimla. Since he doesn't accept it, we should do what we should have done long time back and got back POK.
Okay.
Megha.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.